Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the iRobot Roomba 205. If you're interested in the 205, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we have our Roomba powered on right here. Both the home and power button are illuminated. We're going to hold down the home button for around 5 seconds. We just heard a chime. I thought we might have...
Factory reset Roomba. Press the home and power buttons again and hold for 5 seconds.
So there we go. I thought we'd get an actual voice prompt, so we did. So you hold it down for 5 seconds, you hear a chime, and you should hear the instructions for the factory reset, which is now holding down both buttons for another 5 seconds.
Starting factory reset.
Got the voice prompt, starting factory reset.
Settings restored.
Now we just wait. It said factory settings restored. The lights are off right now. They're back on. We'll give it a second to start back up. Lights are now solid. Powering on. And that's it. After it says powered on, your lights are solid, everything's ready to go. Your Roomba 205 has successfully been factory reset.